Hi, in this video, we, Group 2, Subgroup 5, will talk about amylase enzyme in the food and beverages industry. These are our group members. Enzymes are biological catalysts with high specificity that speed up chemical reactions in living organisms that only catalyze specific reactions. It works at atmospheric pressure with mild conditions with respect to temperature and pH. It works only on renewable raw materials such as fruits, milk, fats, cotton, leather, and wood. Enzymes are used in various industries and harvested from synthetic microbial sources in order to mass produce the enzymes for biocatalysis to replace traditional chemical methods. It improves processes efficiency, increase quality of products, and reduce pollution and waste. For this project, we have chosen amylase in the food and beverages industry as our main topic. Amylase catalyzes the process starch hydrolysis into polymers composed of glucose unit. It has high potential applications in various industries such as food, pharmaceutical, textile, and fermentation. In the food and beverage industry, microbial amylases often used because it has high stability, it is efficient and also cost-effective than plant or animal-derived amylases. So, amylases also used to improve the texture, flavor, and increase the nutritional value of food products.
Amylase is an important enzyme in the food and beverage industry as it helps to break down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars. This enzyme can catalyze the hydrolysis of starch, glycogen, and polysaccharides composed of glucose unit as stated by Agrawal et al. 2005. These are various types of amylases, including alpha-amylase and beta-amylase. Okay, next, alpha-amylase exhibits specific action on internal alpha-1,4 glycosidic bonds in starch, breaking it down into maltose, maltotriose, and dextrins. Operating optimally in the pH range of 6 to 8, it is versatile across various temperatures, finding applications in brewing, where it converts melted grain starches into fermentable sugars like maltose. For beta-amylase, focus on the non-reducing end of starch molecules, catalyzes amylase breakdown into maltose units, thriving in acidic condition, ensuring optimal enzymatic activity. It plays a crucial role in malting for brewing, converting barley starches into maltose, a key component for yeast fermentation during mashing. What is the relevance of enzyme in industrial application? First, amylase efficiently breaks down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars. Second, amylase exhibits substrate specificity and versatility in working with different starch sources. Third, amylase functions optimally over a broad pH and temperature range. And fourth, amylase improves texture, viscosity, and quality in processed food. Lastly, amylase facilitates cost-effective production processes.
Next, we will focus on the enzyme industry overview to explore the background and the key processes of the enzyme. To start, let's understand the foundation of the enzyme industry. Enzymes is a remarkable catalyst to find the application across various sectors. Today, we will highlight their significance in the food industry. Enzymes are derived from three primary sources, which are microorganisms, plants, and animal tissues. The food industry particularly relies heavily on enzymes, utilizing them in various processes, from dairy products to baking and a spectrum of beverage, including fruit juice, wine, and beer. Enzymes contribute to the creation of diverse products. And now we will focus on the key process in the enzyme industry. Enzymes play a crucial role in the food industry by addressing the extended shelf life. Additionally, they are instrumental in reducing waste and also enhancing product quality. Enzymes act as catalysts, transform raw materials to the main product or as additive modifying properties such as flavor, texture, or machinability.
Amylase is an enzyme that has a major role in the food industry as it can hydrolyze complex carbohydrates into polymers composed of glucose units. Amylase has a wide range of applications in various fields of the food industry, including bakery and brewing industries. In the bakery industry, amylase can be classified into alpha-amylase, maltogenic amylase, and fungal alpha-amylase. Fungal alpha-amylase, it prevents the bread from becoming sticky and tasting bad. Maltogenic amylase is used to extend the shelf life of bread. Bacterial alpha-amylase contributes to the stickiness and gelatinous texture of the bread core, and therefore its usage dosage is controlled. In the brewing industry, amylase plays an essential role in improving the overall taste of the beer and the fermentation process. Brewing can be classified into three stages, namely malting, mashing, and fermentation. The first stage is malting, in which the amylase is hydrolyzed and synthesized into barley kernel. The second stage is mashing. Amylase hydrolyzes the starch into various fermentable sugars, and the proteins are converted into amino acids. The third stage is fermentation. The yeast ferments the sugars into alcohol. The two primary types of amylase enzymes used in brewing are alpha-amylase and beta-amylase. Alpha-amylase breaks down complex starch molecules into simple sugars. Beta-amylase breaks down the simple sugars produced by alpha-amylase into fermentable sugars, mainly maltose. Alpha-amylase functions best at high temperatures during the initial phase of mashing, while beta-amylase works well at lower temperatures during the final phase of mashing. Maintaining optimum pH, temperature, and oxygen levels are essential for the functionality of amylase in the brewing and fermentation process.
For benefits, amylase plays a pivotal role in industry by efficiently breaking down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars. Its substrate specificity and versatility enable it to work effectively with various starch sources. Operating optimally across a broad pH and temperature range, amylase ensures adaptability to diverse industrial conditions. Additionally, it enhances the texture, viscosity, and overall quality of processed foods. Moreover, amylase contributes to cost-effective production processes in various industrial applications. For challenges, its substrate specificity of amylase may limit its application of specific types of starches. Next, maintaining precise temperature and pH conditions can be demanding, as extreme conditions outside the optimal range may impact enzyme activity. High temperature may lead to the denaturation of amylase, diminishing its catalytic activity. Furthermore, enzyme production and purification costs can be substantial, particularly for large-scale industrial applications. Amylase may not be universally suitable for all industrial processes. Additionally, its production demands significant resources, including raw materials and energy.
I will talk about industry overview. The example of industry is Novozymes, the enzymatic revolution in the brewing industry. Enzymes, often called nature's catalysts, have been making waves across various industries. Today we will explore how these Belgian marvels have transformed the beer industry, which is the groundbreaking work of a global biotech company known as Novozymes. So who is Novozymes? Novozymes is a biotech company that has pioneered the use of enzymes in the brewing process. Their innovative approach has not only revolutionized traditional methods but has also brought about remarkable success and efficiency in beer production. Now, let's get one of Novozymes' major breakthrough in brewing is the introduction of enzyme that expedite the fermentation process. Traditional fermentation, which could take weeks, has been significantly reduced. But it's not just about speed. Novozyme enzymes have a profound impact on the quality of the product. By precisely controlling the breakdown of sugars during fermentation, brewers can achieve a more refined and predictable taste, leading to enhanced flavor profiles in the beers. Beyond efficiency gains, Novozymes enzymatic innovation align with a key industry concern, which is sustainability. The reduced fermentation time means lower energy consumption and fewer carbon emissions, making the brewing process more environmentally friendly. In conclusion, Novozymes' groundbreaking use of enzyme in the brewing industry is a testament to the transformative power of biotechnology. The accelerated fermentation, quality enhancement, and sustainability-focused showcase a paradigm in beer production.
There are several potential advancements and future developments in the application of amylase, and that includes improved enzyme engineering, improved efficiency in food processing and production of biofuel and waste reduction. Improved enzyme engineering. Amylase enzymes are tailored according to the specific applications in the food industry. Research is still ongoing to discover genetic modification and protein engineering techniques to customize amylase to exhibit optimal activity under specific conditions. This can lead to enzymes with improved stability, specificity, efficiency, making them more effective in food processing applications. Improved efficiency in food processing. As technology continues to advance, more efficient and cost-effective food processes in the food industry can be discovered. The hydrolysis process of amylase can be a better alternative to traditional methods, resulting in reduced energy consumption, shorter processing duration, and higher yields. The application of genetic engineering also can develop enzymes that suit specific food processing needs. Production of biofuel and waste reduction. Other than the food industry, amylase also has potential in the biofuel industry. The starch-based feedstocks can be converted into fermentable sugars through enzymatic hydrolysis by amylase, contributing to the production of biofuels. The use of amylase in converting food waste into biofuels also reduces environmental impacts and promotes circular economy practices.
So in conclusion, amylase is an important enzyme in the food and beverage industry that has roles in catalyzing reactions and refining processes. Its importance lies in the enzyme capability to hydrolyze starch into sugars, facilitating many types of industrial applications. Amylase is widely used in the bakery and brewing industry, increasing the product quality and efficiency. The industry benefited from amylase because of its versatility and durability. Despite that, challenges such as extreme conditions may pose limitations. Case studies showcase the amylase success, research and applications in the industry, driven ahead by the amylase prospects in the food and beverage industries seems promising. With the current advancement and potential improvement poised to further optimize its application, contributing to industry growth, advancement, and innovation.